how you can set full screen photo on your incoming calls on your iPhone. Now this is a really cool feature. You can just set a photo for everyone in your contacts, whomever you want, and that photo will just come up when they're trying to call you. Now I'll show you guys how to do that, but before that, if you're new to our channel, just go down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our upcoming videos. Now let us start. First, just open up your contacts and go to the contact that you want to set the photo for. After you do that, just tap on edit on the top right, and right there you'll see the edit option. Right under the circle you'll see add photo option. Tap on add photo and you can select one from photos. You can even choose a meme, memoji, or you can just take a photo directly. Now I'm just gonna take a photo directly, but you can just go to photos and select a photo from your gallery. Now as you can see, I just took a photo. Now I'm just gonna use this photo and I'll get the option to crop it as well. And after doing this, just tap on done and continue, and you can even skip this process or just continue and tap on done, and there you go, the photo's been added. Now whenever this contact tries to call you or calls you, this photo will just come up in your whole screen. It's that simple, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked the video.